Is this thing on? Ah, there's a little red dot. That means it's on. That means it's on. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Billy Collins, and this is the Collins Project. And on this episode, we're going to talk about the business. That's right. This is episode 3 of growing your business from ground zero on up. I'm creating a brand new brand of clothing, and I'm excited, and I want to share every moment with you. But first, do me a huge favor. Hit the notification bell. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You'll see it down there below. I need all your help. And it shows me that you're, willing to help me. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And looking at things, your boy's beard, kind of bushy. It's out there, kind of bushy. Guys, here we go. Yep, that's me, Billy Collins, and this is my channel. A channel filled with interviews, motivation, entertainment, and perhaps a cocktail or two. Guys, this is the Collins Project. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Billy Collins, and this is the Billy Collins Project. Guys, on this episode, I'm going to discuss where I am with the business. Now, the channel is... so, the Billy Collins Project is basically, I'm going to do things that I have never done before and try to do them and see if I can be successful at doing them. For example, this video right now, I'm going to discuss building a brand. I've never built a brand, an apparel brand, from ground zero and try to make it successful. I've had businesses and I've started a brand. My magic career basically is a brand, but as far as building like a clothing brand, I've never done that before, and I've always wanted to. So I said, hey, why not document it? So when I last left off, I told you I got the LLC done. We got the domain name done. We are still working on the logo. I have people working on it. It's taken a little longer than I actually wanted it to, just because I guess I'm very anxious at getting this launched and out there in front of the public. So I'm kind of trying to push that as hard as I can to get that done. The clothing brand is called Ruthless Rogue. Now, I didn't discuss the name the last time because I wanted to make sure that we had the proper DBA, which is doing business as properties, so I could use the name, and I can. And like I said, we got the domain name for it now. We bought that, or I bought it. I don't have anyone with me. I don't know. Understand why I keep saying we. But I guess we in the future, because it will build like a team to help me. I've already talked to a few people, designers. I've talked to influencers, and I've talked to my friends that want to help out. So it will be a we project, but for right now, it's just me doing all the work. With that being said, the name Ruthless Rogue. So a little story behind Ruthless Rogue. My grandmother, who it was pretty much everything to me, always had my back, always believed in me, always gave me guidance, always treated me like I was someone that was going to be special. I wanted to do something for her and her name was Ruth. And she was very funny and very, she was charming, but also we would joke on one another, and I used to walk in and call her Ruthless because when she drove, I mean, at the time, when I started calling her, she was like in her early 80s, and she would drive like a bat out of hell. She was everywhere. She drove as fast as possible in this old Ford LTD. It was insane. Ass puckered every time you got in the car with her because she was short, couldn't see over the steering wheel. Just a total menace to society when it came to an automobile. So I used to call her Ruthless. So that's where the Ruthless part comes from. And the name Rogue, because I think we all need to be a little bit of a rogue every now and then in our life. I think we need to kind of like go out of our box, out of our comfort zone, and achieve things. Break some rules if you need to break the rules. Don't get in trouble. Don't break the law. But break the rules of society. Stop worrying about what people say about you. Stop worrying about how people perceive you. Stop worrying about having a failure. Just, if you see something, attack it, go do it. Be a rogue in the gym. So Ruthless Rogue is more of a fitness brand, fitness lifestyle brand. And so that's where the name comes from. I just thought it was more fitting. So it's my brand, it's my name, it's my company. And that's where we are right now. The logo will be here soon, and I will post that. Also, I've got an Instagram page, Ruthless Rogue Gear on Instagram. We have a Facebook, Ruthless Rogue on Facebook. I'll put everything in the description where down below, or the description down below, so you guys can come go check it out. Join the nation. Help me build this company up. It's going to be fun. It's going to be experimental. If it fails, it fails. If it succeeds, man, it's going to be something, because not only is it going to be great content, but proceeds, some of the portions of the proceeds from the company go to help promote a healthier mental lifestyle. Helps. We're going to donate money to suicide awareness and to mental health awareness, and helping people get in the right mindset. I do the best that I can, but I'm one person, and these people, the group that I've got, that I will be working with, they're fantastic people. They work really hard. They're smart. They're helping people right and left, and I can't say anything more about them than just how incredible they are. So I will be donating a portion of the proceeds to them. That's my charity for this project. Guys, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, share this out to people if you want to. It's going to be a good cause. It's going to be fun. We're going to have products soon, so you'll be seeing the merch down below, all that fun jazz. So guys, I love every single one of you. I will see you on the next video.